Most travelers over 60 assume that luxury balcony suites are simply out of reach on a fixed income, and that assumption is costing them thousands every single year. Today's video covers expert secrets for booking last-minute luxury cruises on a fixed budget. These are the same senior travel tips and proven cruise booking strategies that actually work right now in 2026. Skip this, and you will keep paying full price for a cabin that was available at half the cost just weeks before sailing. Every major cruise line has a hard cancellation deadline at 60 days before departure, and when passengers cancel, premium cabins flood the system at dramatically reduced rates. In 2026, lines like Celebrity, Holland America, and Princess are releasing unsold balcony suites to last-minute inventory portals as early as 58 days out, sometimes at the same base fare as an inside room. Research from the Cruise Lines International Association shows that up to 30% of premium cabins go unsold within that 60-day window, creating a reliable, repeatable opportunity for prepared travelers. Now, a question that comes up constantly in this niche is, where exactly do you find these deals before the general public does? The major online travel agencies, Expedia, Orbitz, Booking, are throttled. They only display inventory the cruise lines allow them to show, which rarely includes the deepest last-minute luxury deals. Going directly to cruise line websites and calling their retention desks, not their general sales lines, unlocks a separate tier of unpublished pricing in 2026, because retention agents are incentivized to fill cabins rather than process refunds. Travelers who use this direct line approach report saving an average of 22% more than those who book through third-party platforms. Now, a question that comes up constantly in this niche is, what about repositioning cruises? Are they really as underpriced as the insiders claim? A repositioning cruise happens when a ship moves between seasonal home ports, say from the Mediterranean to the Caribbean in autumn, and these crossings are the most aggressively discounted sailings in the entire industry. In 2026, lines are repositioning heavily in September and October, with 14 to 21-day transatlantic itineraries appearing at under $80 per person per night for veranda staterooms when booked within 45 days of departure. Industry data shows repositioning passengers consistently rate their onboard experience at 4.7 out of 5, because the ship is in pristine condition for a new season with a refreshed crew eager to perform. Now, a question that comes up constantly in this niche is, once you have locked in the deal, how do you protect yourself if something goes wrong at the last minute? Always purchase a cancel for any reason travel insurance policy the same day you book, because last-minute fares typically carry non-refundable terms. One unexpected health issue without coverage, and every dollar of savings is gone. Request written confirmation of your cabin category via email immediately after booking, not just a digital receipt, so there is a clear paper trail if the line attempts to downgrade you at embarkation. Verify directly with the ship's guest services desk that any mobility or medical equipment you require is fully accommodated before arriving at the port. If this kind of insider research is useful, consider subscribing. This channel covers strategies like these specifically for travelers over 60 who refuse to compromise on comfort or budget. This video is brought to you by Pamoja Safaris, and a genuine thank you to them for supporting this content. Pamoja Safaris specializes in fully bespoke, safe, and accessible African safari experiences designed specifically for older travelers who want a 5-star adventure without the guesswork. Every detail, from fully accessible lodge accommodations to medical-grade emergency protocols, is handled with extraordinary care, so the focus stays entirely on the experience. Now, speaking of locking in luxury at the right price, here is one more powerful booking strategy that most travelers completely overlook. Most cruise lines now operate a silent bid for upgrade system where passengers in standard cabins submit a monetary offer for a premium balcony or suite in the final 30 days before sailing. In 2026, Celebrity Cruises' Move Up program, Norwegian's Upgrade Advantage, and Royal Caribbean's Royal Up all accept bids starting as low as $50 per person, often clearing at $150 to $200 total for a suite that retails at $2,000 more. Studies of traveler outcomes show that upgrade bidders who pair this strategy with a last-minute base fare win a premium cabin roughly 40% of the time. Now, a question that comes up constantly in this niche is, how do you time the bid to maximize the chances of winning without overpaying? The optimal bid window is between 21 and 14 days before departure, because the cruise line's revenue management team has its clearest picture of unsold premium inventory at exactly that point. In 2026, upgrade portals send a bid accepted notification on average 9 days before sailing, leaving enough time to arrange airport transfers and pack appropriately for a suite-level experience. Passengers who bid in that 21 to 14-day window are statistically 35% more likely to have their bid accepted than those who bid immediately after booking. Now, a question that comes up constantly in this niche is, what amenities can actually be negotiated once an upgrade is confirmed? Once a suite upgrade is confirmed, calling the ship's pre-concierge line, not general reservations, and requesting complimentary specialty dining, priority embarkation, and a beverage package as goodwill gestures for bid loyalty is a consistently effective move. In 2026, lines including Silversea, Oceania, and Viking are offering confirmed upgrade bidders a welcome amenity credit of $100 to $200 per stateroom when requested through the concierge channel rather than standard customer service. Travelers who make this single follow-up call report an average of $175 in additional onboard value added to their booking at no extra cost. Now, a question that comes up constantly in this niche is, what is the single biggest mistake that causes travelers to miss out on all of these deals entirely? Travel after 60 is not about settling. It is about traveling smarter. And every strategy covered today proves that genuine luxury on a fixed budget is absolutely within reach. The retirement years are exactly when comfort matters most, and a balcony suite on the open ocean should not be a fantasy. It should be the standard. That case is made even stronger in the next video. 7 secrets experienced cruisers never share. Click it on screen right now. It is right over there.